Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Notifications. That gets you where Preview controls live. Tap the specific app you want to change, Messages, Mail, or a third-party messenger, because each app has its own setting. Once inside the app notification screen, find Show Previews. Change it now to Never or when unlocked to stop previews from appearing on the lock screen. This reduces accidental info leaks and helps protect privacy immediately without disabling notifications. Next, you should adjust the system-level Show Preview setting so it applies by default. Go to Settings, Notifications, then Show Previews at the top. That controls the global behavior for apps that use the default. Choose Never to block all previews, or when unlocked to allow previews only after Face ID or passcode unlock. The latter balances convenience and privacy. Make sure to review any app that overrides system settings. Once done, check lock screen behavior to confirm changes took effect. Finally, handle exceptions and troubleshoot if previews still show. You must inspect each app's notification settings. Some apps use their own preview option, so turn those off individually. If a change doesn't take effect, restart your iPhone or toggle notifications off and on for that app. This often resets cached behavior. Make sure iOS is up to date because older builds sometimes hide controls. If nothing works, reset all settings as a last resort. Remember, this keeps data but restores default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.